Based on current consumption rates, the average American uses in his or her lifetime 4,700 rolls of paper towels, 5,300 pounds of clothes, 25,000 plastic shopping bags, and over 43,000 cans of soda. All told, he or she will send 41.2 tons of waste to landfills, about 4.4 pounds every single day. Our trash can be found from our own backyards to the shores of Easter Island to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. It is clogging the oceans, killing wildlife, and most of our landfills are at or near capacity. Only 30% of recyclable material is actually recycled, so most of what we purchase is virgin material, harvested or stripped from the earth. We would need 1.7 Earths to sustain our current rate of resource extraction. If everyone lived like Americans, that jumps to 4.8 Earths. Recycling more isn't going to fix the problem. I can recycle a dozen plastic water bottles that I used once, or I can recycle a single plastic bottle that I refilled a dozen times. Or even better, I can get a nice dirty water bottle that I can use hundreds of times. There are far fewer resources used in making one quality item than in creating and recycling several cheap disposable ones. Plus, not everything we put in our recycling bin actually gets recycled. Contamination by food or other non-recyclables can make a whole batch of materials non-recyclable. Until late last year, China purchased half of the United States recyclables. Now it's zero. Recycling facilities are overwhelmed, and whatever they can't deal with goes to the landfills. Much of our recycling effort is literally going to waste. So what can we do? We can expand the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Rethink. Be conscious about what you purchase and throw away and find alternatives. Refuse. Don't accept things you don't truly need or want. Reduce. Reduce the amount of things we do purchase, including packaging. Avoid single-use and individually wrapped items. Use the bulk bins at the grocery store. Plan your meals to avoid food waste. Reuse. Reuse items as many times as possible and invest in more permanent solutions like grocery produce bags, coffee mugs, steel straws, and mason jars. Repair. Fix things that are broken or torn, or find someone else who knows how. Refurbish. Refinish, upcycle, or make something new. Rehome. Sell, donate, or otherwise give away your unwanted but still usable items. This goes 2 ways. Buy secondhand as well. Rot. Compost most of your organic material. Start your own compost pile or ask a friend or neighbor to use theirs. Use the new yard trimming roll cart. Recycle. Recycle items properly. Accepted materials can change over time. Return. Some companies take back their products for recycling. Remember, the garbage can should be the last resort. Every time you throw something in the trash or recycle bin, ask yourself these 2 questions. How can I dispose of this besides throwing it away? How can I avoid throwing away an item like this in the future? Each and every one of us has a responsibility to do our part by reducing our waste as much as possible.